Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making funnel cake. But this is not your typical funnel cake. We are going to add Chantilly cream and berries. I call this my red, white and blue funnel cake because of the color. These are the ingredients for the funnel cake. Measure 1.5 cups regular flour and take out 1 tablespoon. In a separate bowl or container, put 1 tablespoon full fat milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons sugar, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. In a separate container, measure a cup of liquid milk plus 1 teaspoon vanilla. Sift the flour, salt, sugar, milk powder, and baking powder. Whisk 1 egg, add about half of the dry ingredients and continue whisking. Do this alternately until all ingredients are used up. We do this in smaller batches to avoid lumps. This is the consistency that we want. Heat up oil in a pan. Make sure that the oil is hot. I use a wooden spoon to test it. If the spoon sizzles, then the oil is ready. Pour your batter and cook until golden brown, flipping it halfway. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Write a comment or ask me a question about the recipe, and I'll be happy to answer you. Drain on paper towel. These are the ingredients for the Chantilly cream. We have 2 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 2 ounces cream cheese, then we put them in a bowl. Add 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. We mix using a mixer until combined. To release the ingredients from my mixer, I like to lift up the mixer slightly above the ingredients while it's still spinning. Now we mix half cup heavy cream, preferably in a chilled bowl. We want to mix until soft thick. Add 1 teaspoon pure almond extract to the cream cheese mixture and mix a couple times. Add our whipped cream and fold it. If you have the time, chill this mixture in the fridge before using it. But if you're in a hurry, you can use it right away. Then put in a Ziploc bag and cut the corner of the bag. So we are using the Ziploc bag like a piping bag to decorate the funnel cake. Put your blueberries and cut up strawberries next to the funnel cake or on top of the decorated cake and sprinkle with some powdered sugar. Thank you for watching and see you next time.